Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.